Good afternoon. Today we are going to see some questions which are on bricks, and mainly we are focusing in this video that is compressive strength of bricks. So now we will go with questions on this. So we have what are the different types of, I can say, field test. So we will clearly mention here field test performed on the bricks. So we have one that is absorption test. Generally mention it as, but is always preferable to mention as water absorption test, hardness test, shape and size test, color test, soundness test, structure of bricks, efflorescence test. So these are the tests which we can do on the field. Efflorescence test means presence of soluble salt. Now, which are the different IS code available for bricks? So, IS 5454, we have four parts, and that is for sampling of burnt clay bricks. 3494, which will gives us what are the procedure for test on bricks, and 1077 we gives guidelines for common burnt clay building bricks. So that I have shown over here. You can see this. This is 1077, which shows common burnt clay building bricks, and specifications are given what are the sizes and colors and all this given in is 1077 1992. 3495, you will see this method of test. So what are the different methods we have to perform while going for test on bricks, that we have in four parts of 3495. Then we have what we have to go for this sampling, so we have to consider that sampling or discard. That guidelines are given in is 5454 1978. What is this standard size of brick as per is code? So that is given in 1077, because specifications are given in this, and the dimensions are given 190, 90, and 90. So if we will draw this brick, then we are going to be in this way. So we have 90, 90, and 190. So just I will draw it so you can understand these dimensions of this also. So we have this as 90, then we have vertical, that is height also 90, and this length we have 190. Then which IS code is available for compressive strength? That we have seen 3494, the 3495 part 1, that is given for compressive strength. What is the process? So that is given over here. So we have first remove unevenness observed in the bed faces to provide two smooth and parallel faces by grinding. So if we have some unevenness, so by grinding we have to remove it. What is second? So this we are going to prepare sample for the compressive strength. Immerse that bricks in water at room temperature for 24 hours. After this, we have to remove these specimens and drain out any surplus moisture that is available on faces at room temperature. Then we have four, fill the frog where provided, and all voids in the bed face flush with the cement mortar. One cement clean course, sand of grade 3 millimeter and drawn. Then we have fourth, this step. Now fifth, we have store under the damp jute bags for 24 hours. So this is fifth. And sixth, we have followed by immersion in clean water for 3 days. So after this jute bag 24 hours, we have to keep it in water for 3 days, and then we have remove and wipe out any traces of moisture. And these bricks are now ready for your compressive strength test. What is formula for compressive strength? Given again in same code, and that is maximum load at failure, that is in Newton, because we have SI unit, divided by average area in millimeters square, that area of face. What are the classification of bricks as per compressive strength? So we have actually 11 classification. We can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and these are according to the average compressive strength. So if I will say class we have for bricks as per compressive strength 35, means our average compressive strength should be 35. So classes are according to your compressive strength of the brick. Then when the lot of bricks are discarded, so that is given in 55454, that is sampling. And if your average compressive strength of any individual brick is less than, that is minimum average compressive strength less than 20%, then we have to discard that lot of bricks. What is the purpose of frog in the brick? So we have two purposes. First, we have the brick in machinery work for bonding. So we are going to provide frog first for bonding, that is in vertical layers, as well as it will act as a shear key against horizontal load. So it will help us in vertical layers also and for horizontal loads also. Then why frog of brick is filled with mortar and planks are used on upper and lower faces of bricks at the time of test. We are going to fill the frog by mortar, and planks we are going to keep upper and lower faces, because therefore we can apply load uniformly on the bricks. If we are not going to fill it with mortar, then we have that will be hole in the brick, and our area will not be equal to the area of the face. And planks we are going to keep so that we can apply load uniformly by using these 3 mm planks. So thickness of planks also you have to keep in mind, that is 3 mm. So you may have question, what is the thickness of the planks used for the test? Then why frog of brick is filled with mortar and cement sand 1:1? So because the strength of mortar of proportion 1:1 and the strength of bricks is nearly same, and therefore we are going to fill it by 1:1 proportion. And likewise, we have to go for this. Once our bricks are ready, then we have to use UTM and apply the load, and that applying load, we are going to get the failure load, and by that failure load we are in position to calculate compressive strength of the bricks. So these are the questions which are related with your compressive strength of the brick. So now we will stop here only. Thank you.